In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stack elements and make your website responsive in Wix Studio. Whether you're building a new site or working on an existing project, making your design adaptable to different screen sizes is essential for providing a great user experience. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through the process of stacking elements in Wix Studio and ensuring your design is responsive across devices like mobile, tablet, and desktop. By the end, you'll have a professional and polished layout that looks great, no matter how it's viewed. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Wix Studio website. Once you're there, locate the Login button. It's typically found in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the login screen. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If you're new to Wix, don't worry, it's simple to create a free account. Just follow the prompts to sign up and get started. For an easier and faster login experience, you can select the option to continue with Google. This will allow you to log in using your Google account credentials. Make sure you're logged into the correct Google account that's associated with your Wix Studio projects, as getting into the wrong account can lead to confusion. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Wix dashboard from here. Locate the specific project you want to work on and select it. This will open up the project details. Next, enter the editor for your chosen project. This is where all the magic happens, and you'll be able to make adjustments to your design. Now let's start stacking elements. Begin by clicking on the first image or element that you want to include in your stack. Once you've selected it, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. While holding Shift, click on any additional images or elements you want to group together. This allows you to select multiple items at once. With your elements selected, right-click anywhere on your selection to bring up a menu of options. Look for the option labeled Stack. Once you find it, click on Stack. What this does is group the selected elements into a stack, which makes them easier to manage. Stacking is especially helpful for maintaining alignment and spacing across different screen sizes. After you've created your stack, it's time to preview your changes. Wix Studio has built-in responsive preview tools that make this process simple and effective. Use these tools to see how your design looks across various devices, such as mobile phones, tablets, and desktops. This is an important step to ensure your website looks great no matter how your visitors access it. As you preview your design, take note of any areas where spacing or alignment needs adjustment. You may need to fine-tune the positioning of elements within your stack or adjust the spacing between them to maintain a consistent and polished appearance. Don't rush this step. Small tweaks can make a big difference in the overall user experience. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and functions, don't forget to save your project. Saving regularly is a good habit to get into, as it ensures none of your hard work is lost. With your design saved, your website is now ready to shine across all devices. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully stacked elements and ensured your website design is responsive in Wix Studio. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.